Hey guys, Tony. Good morning. Unfortunately, Shiba Inu, it did have another big boy candle down to around 50 microcents. Unfortunately, when this happens, you tend to have a retrace back to where the initial drop was. I'd say here you'll probably have a retrace to like 54 microcents before going back down to 50 microcents. And I think at that point, if it drops again to 50 microcents, or if it continues this drop to the downside, I think it's kind of a pretty good general idea that Shiba Inu is more than likely going to keep dropping back down to 45 microcents, possibly lower than that. What happened last time we had a major sell-off, right? You stayed trading sideways, boom, massive sell-off to like 49 microcents, right? You recovered back to right where peak is before the drop, still kept dropping. Right now, small little sell-off like that, you have a nice little candle drop to 51 microcents, right? Little candle, boom, drop to 51 microcents, like that, right? Traded sideways, drop. I can definitely see, Shiba Inu going back to 53, 54 microcents before coming back down and retesting the 50 microcent level. It's usually what happens. And I think that right now there's a lot of selling pressure in Shiba Inu because there are other meme coins that are rallying, like Loop Ring. You still have Crow, new listings on Coinbase, things like that. So I do think the buying pressure in Shiba Inu is definitely suffering a lot, and I think it's going to keep suffering. I think that Shiba Inu is more than likely going to continue its trend down. Not really sure for how long, but I think as of right now, I think there's a lot of selling pressure, and I'm really only waiting for that daily trigger on my reverse MACD to actually happen before I do anything else on Shiba Inu. For right now, still holding, have about $8,000 position right now in Shiba Inu, 156 million coins. And then in my Coinbase Pro, have about 260 million coins. So I do think there's still a chance that Shiba Inu has like one more pump in it, but I think that might be, the last pump that it has. And that's really just what I'm waiting for. I'm just waiting for that daily trigger to close bullish. And after that, then I can make a decision. But for right now, still holding. I gotta say, I was actually really bullish on Shiba Inu, but I think the movement of Loop Ring and other meme coins that are starting to do 5x, 10x is getting people from Shiba Inu that have already made their money to cash out and put that money into other coins that are moving right now. So the lack of volume is really what's triggering all these sell-offs. And this isn't big whale selling. Keep in mind, this is not big whale selling. This is all retail, right? This is all retail selling off, all retail. So I'll see you guys later. I think we might see another retest of like 45 microcents, possibly lower. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.